So I guess you got the new AirPod Pro 3. So let's pair and connect them with your iPad Air, Mini, or Pro just in seconds. So for that, make sure Bluetooth is turned on your iPad. Now let's go ahead and open the lid of the charging case. If it's showing static LED, just double press over the LED to manually take it into pairing mode. It'll start blinking white, and at the same time, you should get this connection pop up on your iPad screen. So if you have paired it with your iPhone before, you are familiar with this pop up. Just press connect. Now you will get several prompts for personalized volume, conversation awareness, Siri, etc. And if you want, you can customize them right now or maybe later from its settings. Just go ahead and follow the on-screen prompts. So when the pairing is done, it'll show the classic battery animation. If you didn't get the connection pop-up, just in case, you can enter the settings on your iPad. From there, the Bluetooth, make sure it's turned on, and just scroll till the end, and under the other devices list, your AirPods name will pop up. Just tap on it to pair it with your iPad. Now, whatever way you've connected your AirPods Pro 3 with your iPad, after the connection, you can just go ahead and check out all these, AirPods settings and change or customize them according to your preference or taste. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.